Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Okay, my name is Hardianti. My student number is 200600026. Okay, this time I will present you how to sound 8 for regular verb. Okay, previously I will show you some examples of 8 irregular verb, and here is an example here. Okay, number one is call. Call to be is called. Is pronounced as called. Number two, help. Help to be is helped. Is pronounced as helped. Number three, look. Look to be is looked. Is pronounced as looked. Okay, number four, want. Want to be is wanted. Is pronounced as wanted. Okay, number five, follow. Follow to be is followed. Followed is pronounced as followed. Okay, number six, play. Play to be is played. It's pronounced as played. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Nice to meet you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.